Right, so just a quick video of another setup of one of these log type deadfall traps. Now I've seen this in a book, but the back piece here was actually done on a tree. So what you would do is set your logs up like this. Down there, if you was doing this on a tree, you cut a small notch in the tree. You would have to put a screw or a nail or hammer or a piece of wood up here, loop, string over, down, and you've got a notched kind of stick trigger here, and that's just got a nut tied on it at the minute, but you could tie, you know, whatever bait you need. Once that's pulled out, it dislodges it and then the log comes down. But what you could do with a freestanding one is set your logs up like this, these ones hammered into the ground, and then you could hammer in either a split in half log with notch cut in it, hammer it into the ground, and then set this up. But obviously, because this is on a table, this is all just freestanding, and this part is screwed to the back of there. And also the other thing you'd probably want to do is block off a bit, maybe block off the back entirely, so the animal could only come through the front. Maybe block off some of this front side as well, so you've got just one area where it can get in. It's a pretty simple setup. So you can see that part there. And then just goes over